Hello, my friends, and welcome back. In this episode, you will listen to 5 short and funny stories. I will speak clearly and simply. You can just listen, or you can repeat after me. Relax, smile, and enjoy the stories. Let's begin. Story 1. The Alarm That Never Stopped. Mark set his alarm for 6 in the morning. He wanted to wake up early and go to the gym. The alarm rang. Mark opened one eye. He pressed snooze. 5 minutes later, the alarm rang again. Mark pressed snooze again. This happened 6 times. Finally, Mark woke up and looked at the clock. It was 9:30. He jumped out of bed and said, "Wow, I must be very motivated today." Then he remembered the gym closed at 9. Mark smiled, turned off the alarm, and went back to sleep. Story 2. The Wrong Chat. Anna wanted to complain about her boss, so she opened her phone and started typing a message. She wrote, "My boss talks too much and never listens." She added a sad face. Then she pressed send. 1 second later, Anna froze. She didn't send it to her friend. She sent it to her boss. Her phone buzzed. The message said, "Interesting feedback. Let's talk tomorrow." Anna didn't sleep very well that night. Story 3. The Fitness Watch Lie. David bought a fitness watch. The watch counted his steps every day. One evening, David looked at the screen. It said, "Only 800 steps today." David felt disappointed. Then he stood up and walked around his living room. He walked in circles. He walked to the kitchen. He walked to the bathroom. After 10 minutes, the watch said, 10,000 steps. Great job. David smiled proudly and said, "Exercise is easy." Then he sat down and ordered pizza. Story 4. The Coffee Disaster. Lisa walked into a cafe. She was very tired. The barista asked, "What would you like?" Lisa said confidently, "I would like a large coffee with no coffee." The barista blinked. "Do you mean milk?" he asked. Lisa nodded slowly and said, "Yes, milk. My brain is still sleeping." The barista laughed and gave her a free cookie. Lisa decided coffee was still a good idea. Story 5. The Smart Speaker Argument. Tom bought a smart speaker for his home. He loved talking to it. One night he said, "Play relaxing music." The speaker played loud rock music. Tom said, "No, relaxing music." The speaker replied, "Playing even louder rock music." Tom sighed and said, "You never listen to me." The speaker answered, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand that." Tom turned it off and said, "Same problem as people." So, my friends, those were 5 short and funny stories. Did you smile? Did you understand most of the words? You can listen again. You can repeat the sentences. You can even read them out loud. Learning English can be fun. Laughter helps your brain learn faster. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.